haven't done a talking video in a while, so don't mind my awkwardness. I don't know what to say. Okay, let me just redo this. Cut. Let me cut this off. Hey, so welcome to my channel. My name is Fiona, and my channel has a lot of workout videos, K-pop diets, and product reviews. So scroll through it and see if there's anything to your interest. If there is, don't forget to like and comment. And if you're new to this channel, come and subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting up more videos. So for today's video, it was inspired by one of my fans. I got my first fan email. I'm so excited. Her name is Tatiana. Hey Tatiana, if you're seeing this, thank you for your love and support and your email. She suggested that I try the Jungkook workout challenge. Jungkook from BTS. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I hope I am. But yes, I'm gonna try the workout for 7 days and I'm gonna see how my body changes, if I get abs, if I don't, if I don't know, if I get a bigger booty, whatever it is. But yeah, I'm going to try it out for 7 days and I'm going to see how that works. So the workout consists of 20 squats, 20 push-ups, 20 jump squats, 20 shoulder exercise, 10 shoulder blade plank, 20 mountain climbers, 20 crunches, 15 burpees, 20 leg raises, and 20 supermans. That is a lot, but we will see. I'm gonna put this workout routine, Jungkook's workout routine, in the description box below so you can try it or check it out. I think that's about it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. finally done and I am so happy about it. Let me tell you, the first 2 days it was a lot of work. It was very challenging. Even like when I laugh or I sneeze or I cough a little, my stomach was hurting, my whole body was just sore. But after those 2 days, I think my body got used to it and the workout has become a lot easier. So for the results, I did notice that my leg got skinnier, my stomach has become slimmer, I see it more defined, I see lines and I see a little bit of muscle. My shoulder area also got more defined. Overall, my body did get more toned. I definitely like this workout. It was fun to do. Hard at first, but definitely fun to do. And like I said before, I left the workout in the description box below. So for those of you who want to try it out, go ahead and do it. I'll definitely do this workout again. And any of you have any suggestions on new workouts or new K-pop diets that you want me to try out, you can comment below or you can send me an email and I will check it out. Again, I would like to thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look forward to more videos coming out this year. Thanks, bye! No, in the description box below. Let me tell you, it was so for right there. Thanks for watching.